We're proud to support good causes in London through Give London a Lift. We support 2 groups with £1,000 in-store credit every month. This month in our Hackney store, we're delighted to support Caxton House. They do amazing work to engage the whole community. They're going to spend their money on new materials to improve their garden area.
Caxton House is a very, very busy centre. We have a wide range of activities that happen here. We have an under 5 stay and play. We have a whole load of sports activities. In addition, we have advice sessions and counsellor surgeries, MP surgeries. We have cooking classes, we have gardening volunteer programme. We've received £1,000 of store credit through Leyland SDM Give London a Lift campaign. That is absolutely fantastic because we've got a lot of work happening in our garden. In particular, we're looking at food growing areas that will feed into the cooking classes that we're running. But we also have a number of areas of the building that we have to maintain. So one of the areas in the garden is a brick store shed for all our gardening equipment, and the roof leaks, so we've got mould coming in, and so the materials that we can purchase will help to repair that. Already Rose, who does our gardening, has made a list of items and equipment that she needs to progress the food growing.
More and more actually people have contacted us looking for gardening because it's something they can do outside, which is a bit safer, and it's active and social, so it sort of ticks a lot of boxes. We've been given a load of wood that we'd like to turn into furniture for the garden. So things like paint, screws, anything like that, all the sort of gubbins that otherwise we'd have to try and fundraise for can be put towards that.
I want to say a massive thank you on behalf of Caxton House staff, volunteers, users for the donation that we've received, because it will make an enormous difference to our work, to the work that we do here.
To enter our Give London a Lift competition, please visit our website leylandsdm.co.uk/Give London a Lift.